Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting by getting immediate access. Open the Facebook app or desktop and sign in. Once done, load the post, photo, or story you intend to edit so you can tag in one flow. Make sure you're on the profile or page that should perform the tag. This matters because visibility and permissions differ. Also prepare the exact text or caption you'll pair with the tag to avoid reediting. Now tap the area to add people or tags and proceed to search. You'll now insert the Everyone tag where it belongs. In a group post or comment, type at everyone exactly and select the suggestion if it appears. If the option doesn't show, check the group's admin controls because only groups with the feature enabled allow at everyone. Contact an admin if necessary. Once the tag is recognized, Facebook will notify members depending on their notification preferences. Before posting, use the audience selector to confirm who will actually see the message and adjust if needed. Post your message and then verify that notifications were delivered by checking a sample member's view or asking a colleague. If the Let Everyone tag didn't trigger, make sure you're in a group where admins permit global tags and that Facebook hasn't rolled out restrictions to your account. Also update the app or try desktop. If problems persist, retype the tag, clear cache, or request an admin change settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: test with a small post and confirm before sending broad announcements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.